Switzerland's iconic glaciers, once seen as timeless giants of ice, are vanishing at alarming speed. In 2025, scientists recorded a 3% drop in glacier volume across the country, the fourth largest retreat ever measured. That's not just a number, it's a warning about how quickly climate change is reshaping our planet. According to Switzerland's leading glacier monitoring group, Glaciers, the country has lost a quarter of its glacier ice in just the last decade. This year alone, ice mass shrank by 3%. That's the fourth worst melt on record, following catastrophic years in 2022, 2023, and 2003. What caused it? Scientists point to a double blow. A winter with very little snow, which usually protects glaciers, followed by extreme heat waves in June and August, including the second warmest June ever recorded in Switzerland. Switzerland is home to nearly 1,400 glaciers, more than any country in Europe. These glaciers are more than just ice. They act as water reservoirs, feeding rivers that support farming, hydropower, and drinking water across much of Europe. They drive tourism with their breathtaking views, and they even stabilize mountain landscapes. But as glaciers retreat, over 1,000 small glaciers have already vanished. And as ice disappears, mountainsides are becoming unstable, triggering dangerous rock slides and even massive avalanches of ice and rock. In May this year, an avalanche of rock and ice buried most of the village of Blatten. Events like these are becoming more likely as permafrost weakens and glaciers thin. At the Rhone Glacier, scientists are even using giant reflective blankets to slow the melt, wrapping the ice in white sheets each summer. While effective on a small scale, it's a reminder of the desperate measures being taken against a warming climate. Glaciologist Matthias Huss, from ETH Zurich, says it clearly. Glaciers are retreating because of human-caused global warming. As greenhouse gas emissions trap more heat in the atmosphere, extreme summers are becoming the norm. In the last 2 years alone, Switzerland has seen unprecedented melting, accelerating the loss scientists have tracked for decades. Once, glaciers carved the Swiss Alps into the breathtaking peaks and valleys we see today. But within a generation, many of these glaciers may vanish completely. The loss of ice threatens freshwater supplies, impacts Europe's power grid, disrupts ecosystems, and erases part of Switzerland's cultural identity. For many alpine communities, the glacier retreat is not just a scientific statistic, it's a daily reality. Switzerland's glaciers are disappearing before our eyes, melting faster than ever in recorded history. And while scientists are documenting these changes, the real question is, will we act fast enough to slow them down? The story of the Swiss Alps is a story about climate change everywhere, from the Arctic to the Himalayas. What happens here affects us all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reports on science, climate, and the future of our planet.